starting to wonder. I am starting to wonder. Very much so. Let's turn fan off. Fan goes off now. Because, and cars passing by. So, not fun. Not fun for me. Not fun for me. No. Hey, you damn bear. Well, I was going to say something, but now I have nothing to say. Other than... Do you ever realize how crazy things are in your life? Craziness. Oh, there's another vehicle coming, and I can't talk over that. There he goes. Alright, fine. And I've lost my train of thought, and I'm pretty sure that's a chainsaw going off in the background. And there's another truck. Jeez, how many vehicles go down this road on a daily basis? There's another one. Sorry about that. Very strange. I don't know what to say. I'm good. But anyway. You hear that? Where's me? That's a fucking chainsaw. A fucking chainsaw of all things. Me, personally, I prefer machete. It's a bit more silent, and I can hack people to death and stuff like that. But anyway, I guess I'm gonna go. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. And 2 more vehicles. There's too many vehicles. I'll do another upload later. My name is Sortho Skull Splitter, and you have a nice fucking day.